Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to add friends on Roblox. So if you have been using Roblox and want to add friends but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to add friends on Roblox. So to get started, first of all open official website of Roblox, or you can also open Roblox application. So what you gotta do is first of all click on that three dots or three lines and select friends. Here as you can see I have 0 friends, 0 followings and 0 followers. So what you gotta do is there you can see search option. Type down the name of the friend you want to add. Make sure that it is spelled correctly. Once you do that, you can see there has many options that is appeared on my screen. So simply click on add friend whom you want to add, and that friend will be successfully added by you on Roblox. That is how easily you can add friends on Roblox, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.